Welcome to Fairleigh Dickinson University. Founded in 1942 in New Jersey, USA, the newest campus, which is the Fairleigh Dickinson University, Vancouver campus, opened in 2007 in the beautiful British Columbia, Canada. Accredited by the Middle States Commission on Higher Education and by the British Columbia Ministry of Advanced Education, FDU is one of the few American degree providers that is accredited in both Canada and in USA. I invite you to learn more about our dynamic university, our unique degree programs, and our competitive scholarships and study grants. Canam Consultants is undoubtedly one of the undisputed leader in the field of overseas education consultancy with an experience of over 20 years. Canam has professional agents that are great at finding the right fit of university for students. With high application success rate and visa rate with Canam, I look forward to the possibility of seeing you as a student at the Fairleigh Dickinson University, Vancouver campus. Please book appointments with room number 80 through your Canam counselors to meet up with me from 15th of April to 23rd of April on a date and time slot convenient to you.